Welcome to the Power of Prayer channel. Here is a space of faith, hope and union, where together we seek the strength that comes from prayer to transform our lives. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. May peace and light be with you. If you need protection, peace and blessings in your life, this powerful prayer to the Queen of Angels will strengthen your faith and ward off all evil. Pray with me with an open heart and feel the divine presence in your life. Let's get started. Powerful prayer to the Queen of Angels. O Queen of Heaven, Sovereign Lady of Angels, you who received from God the power and mission to crush Satan's head, we humbly beseech you, send the heavenly legions so that, under your command, pursue evil spirits, fight them everywhere, suppress their audacity and plunge them into the abyss. O Most Holy Mother, Queen of Angels, send your holy armies to ward off all evil of our lives, our families and our homes, that through your powerful intercession may we achieve peace, grace and divine protection. Mother of God and ours, cover us with your mantle. Strengthen our faith and lead us always through the paths of light and love of Christ. Amen. This prayer is very strong to ask for protection against spiritual evils and strengthen your faith. If you wish, you can pray it daily or in times of need. May the Queen of Angels always be by your side. May the Queen of Angels wrap you in her mantle of light and intercede for all your needs. If this prayer touched your heart, share it with those who need protection and leave your Amen in the comments. God bless you. Thank you for being with us on the Power of Prayer channel. May peace, love and the strength of prayer accompany you and your family. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe so we can continue spreading messages of faith and hope. Until the next meeting, and may God bless you all.